Daily use different household items. Switch. This switch turns on the light. Socket. I put the charger in the socket. Remote. The remote is on the table. Plug. Plug the charger into the socket. Iron. Mom uses the iron to press clothes. Towel. I dry my hands with a towel. Broom. I use a broom to clean the floor. Dustpan. I use a dustpan to collect the dirt. Trash can. Put the paper in the trash can. Toilet paper. We use toilet paper in the bathroom. Plunger. The plunger has a long handle. Light bulb. The light bulb is on the ceiling. Duster. I use a duster to clean the table. Lock. The lock keeps the door safe. Key. The key is on the table. Nightstand. I keep my phone on the nightstand. Bookcase. I clean the bookcase every week. Table. Put the cup on the table. Curtain. The sun shines through the curtain. Window. I can see the trees through the window. Door. Please knock on the door before entering. Air conditioner. The air conditioner keeps the room cool. Blanket. The blanket is soft and cozy. Clock. The clock is on the wall. Armchair. Dad is sitting in the armchair. Lamp. I turn on the lamp at night. Chair. The chair is near the table. Bed. My bed is soft and cozy. Mattress. The mattress is soft and comfortable. Pillow. My pillow is soft and fluffy. Sofa. The sofa is in the living room. Floor lamp. The floor lamp is next to the sofa. Vase. Mom puts flowers in the vase. Ceiling fan. The ceiling fan keeps the room cool. Carpet. The carpet is soft and clean. Television. I watch television with my family. Suitcase. My suitcase is full of clothes. Soap holder. I put the soap in the soap holder. TV table. I keep the remote on the TV table. Sponge. I use a sponge to wash the dishes. Mop. I use a mop to clean the floor. Bucket. The bucket is full of water. Soap. Please use soap to wash your hands. Laundry basket. The laundry basket is full of clothes. Oven glove. The oven glove protects my hand from heat. Washing glove. I wear a washing glove to clean dishes. Stove. Please do not touch the stove when hot. Fridge. The fridge keeps food cold. Blender. Mom uses the blender to make a smoothie. Wardrobe. Mom puts my clothes in the wardrobe. Coat rack. Dad puts his jacket on the coat rack. Vacuum cleaner. Please move the vacuum cleaner carefully. Pedestal fan. Please turn off the pedestal fan. Exhaust fan. The exhaust fan is above the stove. Bathtub. The bathtub is clean and white. Sink. Mom washes the dishes in the sink. Hanger. Dad puts his jacket on a hanger. Pegs. Mom uses pegs to hold the clothes. Microwave. Mom heats food in the microwave. Oven. Please do not touch the hot oven. Shower. The water in the shower is warm. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye, kids.